YouTube, what's happening, man? What's the business? What's the play? What's going on? Hey, I think this the first snow day of the year. It's a little nasty out here, but it ain't sticking yet. So I'm finna make a little run, man. Got a little surprise for y'all. Remy done changed up her look. You know, like I say, man, I'm pretty much just gonna be modding all winter, man. I ain't get to do a lot of stuff because of the COVID or whatever was going on this year, and shipping slacked off real bad. Look like people trying to get back to normal. And then not only that, man, we got Summit right down the road, so if it's something I can't have shipped, I'm gonna just slide out there. But y'all, let's take a ride, man. I'm gonna get out here and see if I can bless somebody today. You know, y'all always hear me talking about being unselfish, helping our fellow man, and getting out here and not always just helping yourself. So we're gonna get out here today and see if we can't be a blessing to somebody. You know what I'm talking about? So y'all hold tight, man. Let's take a ride. Remy Man 6-1, let's cut some cones. Yeah. So YouTube, y'all, like I always tell y'all, man, I be trying to be a blessing to somebody every now and then. I met this young lady right here. Y'all know I like to go around the pawn shops every now and then and look for different weapons, see if I can get a good deal on some tools and whatnot. So I told her if she was gonna be, if she let me be a blessing to her, I need her to give me 5 subscribers, y'all. And then whatever I give her with the blessing, she gotta either be a blessing to somebody else, whether that be give them half of it, $5, $2, whatever. I'm gonna leave that up to her. That's between her and God. So I'm finna hand her this. She told me she had 3 kids. Y'all know it's been rough right now with this corona and whatnot. So y'all see that right there, that's cash money. I'm finna give her $150.
Thank you.
So if she decide to split that with somebody or whatever. Now, so y'all see that's what just happened. I'm encourage y'all to do the same thing.
I am at this pawn shop here in Dallas, and I go in looking at some things, and I met this guy, a real nice guy. He said he wanted to be a blessing to me. I was a little skeptical at first. I'm like, okay. Okay. So after I came out, he handed me this. $150. That's a blessing. Hallelujah. Thank you, Remy. I do appreciate you. And I wish you the best in all your endeavors. Thank you so much.
YouTube. So as y'all can see, man, it don't take much. You know, we go out and we blow money on clothes, J's, wheels, whatever. And we go all year buying and doing for ourselves, but don't never take the time out to try to help somebody else. So I ask y'all, man, where would the world be right now if every time one of us saw somebody in need or hurt or down, we acted right then to help them pick them up. And then not only that, we got about 5 to 10 other people to come help this person and so forth and so on. Man, I'm telling you, there shouldn't be no homelessness, no poverty in this country, in the world for that matter, with all the rich people we have in the world, man. So much money circulating through this world, but it's all about self, I, me, you know what I'm saying? So, man, it ain't hard, man. If you buy somebody lunch one day, or if you pay for their cup of coffee in line, man, just spread that love and you'll see how contagious that is. You just might make somebody's day who was probably about to kill themselves over circumstances or commit suicide or something, man. So you just never know how you can affect somebody's day by being a blessing. So, man, we finna keep turning these corners. I got a couple more errands to run, and then I'm gonna reveal them old wheels to y'all that I put on Remy. Yes. Yes, sir. Top of the morning, YouTube. Gloomy, gloomy day. Remy got a new look. Y'all see her, man. FERRADA thing. Yes. But can't even enjoy it, man. Look at this. Look at this here. And then look at this one right here. Look at him, he mad at the dog because it's raining. Y'all see this turning into snow, right? Look at that. See how it's not falling here, but it's getting a light fall to it. That's cool. Remy shut up inside. Looking like $1 million. You dig? Was gonna try to get a full better walk around that thing, man, but due to the weather, probably gonna be a real short video. But I did want to let y'all see her sitting on them new FERRADA 22 by 11 in the back. 22 by 9.5 in the front, y'all. I think it's pretty dope, my damn self. So, man, y'all hold tight. I'll get back to y'all in a minute, YouTube.